Hello everyone, let's first download the Ansys student software. Go to Google, type here Ansys, and this is not the one. Go back to search bar again, type Ansys student, and go to the first link. Now there are various versions of Ansys that we can download here, like this one, accept cookie, like Ansys student, Ansys LS, and other student version. Let's go to the basic one, and it's free download. So click here. It's a big software, it will take a lot of time, so wait patiently. After it's downloaded, go to here, extract the files here. After the extraction, go down here, the setup file, double click and run it. Depending on your system, it will take few seconds to a minute maximum. I agree. Next, choose the path. It will take around 70 GB of your disk space. So here it will take almost 30 to 40 minutes depending on your system. It's 100% complete now. Click exit. Now you can see there are various modules. Almost all the modules of Ansys are here now. Okay, let's open space claim. Let's find where is space claim. Okay, here it is. Click OK. And now here it is ready to be used. Nothing else is required. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Thank you.